guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be installing a heater core on my 1994 Z28 Camaro. When I got the car, it didn't have any heat. The heater core was bad in it. And today we'll be installing this, the heater core. Got it for about 50 bucks from Summit Racing, which is pretty good. Haven't had any heat, so I'm looking forward to having heat in the car now. Let's get started. Alright guys, so your heater core is located right back there. When this went bad, when the heater core went bad, somebody connected the two pipes together and left the heater core in the car. In order to get to the heater core, we'll be going through the glove box to get to the heater core. Let's get started. But first, I'm gonna have to drain some of the coolant out, or you could just let it drip. Your choice. Dealer's choice. To get the glove box out, you have to remove this panel. In order to get the panel out, there's a tab right here and a tab back there, and then it should just come out. That's for the bottom piece. And then when taking the glove box itself out, there's a screw right there, which is a 7mm, and then there's another screw right here, which is a 7 screw. There's a third screw right there. So there's a total of 3 screws that you need to get out. And that was one right there. Now this should just come right out. So you got them tabs right there. You want to push them in. That one's in. And on this side. Just kind of work it out of there. Oh. And you got this right here. You take that off and then you'll be able to get to it. So y'all do need to take the panel out at the on the bottom. Right here. I also need to find me a new light because this one just died. I only been in it for like 5 minutes. But yeah, I'll get y'all some more room, get to them screws back there. We'll find a light for y'all. Alright, I got a light now. So you got that tab down there. There's a little metal piece popped out. And pop that off, and then the panel will come out. So I'm taking this panel off. You got that screw right there, and that screw right there. That whole panel will slide down. There is a wire on the side of that panel that you would need to take off. Just a clip. Take that off, and then the panel should just slide right down. Alright, once you get that panel out of the way, then there's your heater core. And it looks like there's just one screw holding it in. Undo that screw and it'll come out. You got that grommet up there to worry about too. That goes through the firewall. That screw right there, it will be a 5.5mm. As you can see, guys, there is another screw right back there that's holding the heater core in. So right there, I think that might be a 5.5mm. Alright y'all, so y'all do not have to take this off. You do not have to take this off, and all you have to do is just work it. Just work it past this and it will come out. Get it in right here and then it should just slide on down. You have to keep on working it, work it out, and it will come out that way. All right, guys, just like that, it'll fall right out. It's the old heater core right here. Like I say, just keep on wiggling it, and it will just come on out. Yeah, that's the old one right there. I changed, put this on the other one. Put that grommet on the other one, the new one. Put this piece on the new one too. So that's the new one. That's the old one. All right, so the next part is putting the heater core in. So just repeating. So you're just doing what you did, but backwards, basically. Go ahead and do some of that. I'll get back with y'all. So I'm putting the heater core back in. I decided to take this off. Yeah, it just pops out by this tabs right here. That tab right there. Just push it down. Once you get out of the way, then you have plenty of room to get the heater core back in. Should have took it out when I was taking the heater core out, but I didn't. And that was so much easier. So yeah, it was just so simple to take that off. Alright, the glove box is back in. Glove box back in, and the panel is back in. After that's done, then you can move up front and start working on that. Someone bypassed the heater core by connecting those two hoses right there. So we're going to undo that. Alright guys, so I got the bypass off. Got the hoses undone. This is what they use to bypass the heater core. All I got left now is just hook the lines up. Back there. Hook the lines up, and they'll be ready to go. Okay, I finished connecting the two hoses to the heater core. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. But after you do that, you'll lose a little coolant. So top off your cooling system right here in your radiator, and then make sure you get all the air out of it. How you get all the air out of it is through these screws. This screw right here, that screw right there, and then there's another screw down here, right there. Just leave it in the comments below if you got any questions, and I'll get back to y'all. So the next thing will be now just to crank it up, top it off. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good night.
Life is good. We make the streams louder. Hey, yo. Yo.